Hi there, students. To captivate, a verb. I guess captivating as an adjective. Captivatingly as an adverb. And I guess as well captivation as an uncountable noun of the quality. Okay, if something captivates you, it takes your attention. It's extremely beautiful or extremely pleasant or extremely interesting. So I was captivated by her beauty. I was captivated by her captivatingly beautiful voice. Okay? The country is captivated by the story of the baby elephant that survived. Yeah, it was a story that captivated the nation. A good performer should be able to captivate an audience, yeah, to hold their attention, to for them you are fascinating, attractive and interesting. She was captivatingly beautiful. Yeah, you could captivate the public. Yeah, so the singer captivated the public. The singer was the focus of their attention. Okay, so to dominate somebody with irresistible appeal, yeah, somebody who's got special charm. Yeah, I went on holiday to the Alps and I was captivated by the beautiful scenery. The scenery was captivating. Yeah, it was just something that I couldn't stop looking at. Yeah, so if something captivates you, it enthralls you, it bewitches you, it fascinates you, it absorbs you. Yeah, it beguiles you. You are bewitched. Yeah, you are mesmerized by it. It's just something that hypnotizes you. It sweeps you off your feet. So, I was captivated by the interesting ideas that he suggested to me. Yeah, so this is something that is irresistibly interesting. Yeah, it's something that pleases you greatly. Yeah, that's something that is captivating. It holds your attention because it's fascinating and enchanting. So I was captivated by the beautiful words used in the poem. Okay, yeah, it was captivatingly beautiful. It was very, very interesting. Yeah, I was captivated by her brilliant mind. Okay, so it's to fascinate, to charm, because something is excellent, it's interesting, it's different, it's got something special about it. I think, let's see, as to formality, to captivate, I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but I think you could use it anywhere. It's a touch on the formal side. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, captivo, an adjective meaning capture. Yeah, so effectively captivate. Your attention is captured. Yeah, I think in the past there's an obsolete meaning of captivated, to captivate meaning to capture. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. I hope the video was captivating. I hope it captivated you. Captivate.